My name is Cobra Vang. I am a second semester nursing student at Fox Valley Technical College. What drove me to become what I am now, to go for nursing, is essentially I want to provide for my family. As a kid growing up, we didn't have everything. So for me, cost is a huge factor. I don't want to be spending $10,000 to $30,000 per year. That's a minimum. And then when I look at Fox Valley Technical College, you're not spending that much amount for a degree. You're learning things firsthand. You're working on your soft skills and your hard skills at the same time. So when we get the job and actually go on the floor in a hospital setting, we know what to do and know how to assess a patient. The college experience here at Fox Valley Technical College, it's a little bit different from university, but then, you know what? We do have extracurricular activities, we have clubs. I've been involved with DECA, Student Nurses Association, the Hmong Club. So many opportunities for students to fill in and say, hey, I've got a place to stay. The instructors at Fox Valley Technical College, they are a game changer. They care for you, they want you to succeed, and they'll do whatever it takes to actually make you understand the concept and to really help you on your path to become whatever you want. When I'm here, I'm not a number. Instructors actually know my name, know why I'm here, and they remember me for the future years to come. Nursing interested me because when I went to a hospital or when I go to a clinic, there are always healthcare professionals who are always in a hurry, who don't actually take the time to actually describe to you what is wrong, what's gonna happen, what can we do to help. And I want to be that change. My family is proud, yeah. They think, you're doing great things, you're learning about people, you're actually getting out there, you're getting to know yourself, and that's the greatest opportunity there is in life.